every line and story that time refused to erase. Every mark tells a story, etched in me like rings in a tree. Years of sun and storms before me, growing silent, growing free. You can read me without speaking. You can trace where I have been. Every bruise and blush and healing is a memory etched in skin. The hollow where your hand once lay still hums when I'm alone. A tenderness I tried to lose, but it settled in my bones. The stretch of joy, the pull of grief, the body holds what words can't.